All right, so here we are. I'm looking at the price right now. It's around 1915, 1917, and the last move just before 1900, which is around 7 o'clock, it did not take out the low, and I will point that out. So I'm just staring at price, trying to figure out what's going on here. Parts of this I did step away because I was just not sure if I should go long yet. It would have been a little early. Kind of wanted to see that down close candle um, to the left, the big down close candle to kind of flip and invert, and that's what I wanted to see. And on the minute right now, I'm looking at the price, seeing that it could invert, and it's showing possibilities of a reversal here. And as I stare at the price, uh, my mind is going like many places. Like, could it go lower? Could it go higher? And I have to start plotting and start finding reasons can what are the things I'm looking for it to go higher. And it's kind of what everybody should do before placing a trade, because like obviously you're risking money, right? So you when you place the trade, you want to think like, okay, uh, analytically, you want to predict price, right? So I'm about to enter into price right now. I'm risking about $54. I was aiming for that uh, high of not high of yesterday's high, but knowing that it's an Asian session, I don't know how much it moves. Sometimes it moves a lot, sometimes it doesn't. Later, I saw the price like after this trade was done, which I'm happy with it. Like I see that there's relative equal highs. There's three tops, right, at 29260, and I wasn't like I didn't want to hold it. Maybe it could reverse again. I just wanted to get half of that new day opening gap range, and I do place it up high because sometimes if there's unmitigated parts of price, unmitigated candlesticks, I would hold it a little longer. But knowing that I didn't have a good New York session, I had a few losses there, and I think I was at five 517, and it dropped to 460 on my account, which I don't like. Like, I just because I had a good analysis and my trade didn't pan out. So I mean that's going to happen, and it's just normal. I lower the standard. I should have held it, but you just I'm not really feeling the price action. Although this is much cleaner, way nicer, and just the fact that I've been burned so many times, I kind of want to get a win on my record, get a new high on my account, and also get a win, get my losses back, right? Get my losses and some more, and I did get my losses and some more. Um, I was thinking about closing price right here. It's at the 50% of the new day opening gap, and it's showing signs of reversal. I didn't end up closing here. I let it spool a little higher, and then I closed it after three up close candles that you'll see in about a few seconds. This trade took me about 47 minutes that I was in there, so that's quite a bit of time, which is kind of uh, the theme now. Like, you gotta have to wait a little bit. It's a risk-free trade, and I didn't want just $30 from it. I kind of wanted more. I wanted to make sure my equity is at another high, and I'm about to close it.